This high-protein cottage cheese flatbread pizza packs 13 grams of protein per slice and tastes just like a pizza. Start with a blender or food processor jar. You can also use an immersion blender if you want. Add 1 cup of 4% milk fat cottage cheese. If you plan on using reduced fat or fat-free, I would recommend baking this recipe for 2 to 5 minutes longer and straining the cottage cheese in a mesh strainer to remove excess liquid. Add 4 egg whites. Add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. For our seasonings, we're using half a teaspoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Place the lid on your jar, power on your device, then blend for several seconds until everything is fully combined. Preheat your oven on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a baking sheet and place some parchment paper on it. Give it a light spray of oil. Pour your mixture onto your baking sheet so it's in the shape of a rectangle. You can also shape it however you prefer. Bake it on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, the edges should be golden brown. Remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, it should be firm enough for you to pick up. Now we'll top our pizza. Add your favorite pizza or marinara sauce on top. Then add about half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Add a couple of pepperonis on top. Sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese, then sprinkle some dried basil and red chili flakes. Place it back in the oven and bake on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. Then remove it from the oven, and you're set to serve your cottage cheese flatbread pizza. Cut these into however many slices you prefer. I cut mine into 6 slices, which gives it about 13 grams of protein per slice. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.